Dustin and Gabriella over here at the Love Family Farm. And the kids have off school today for a parent-teacher conference stuff. So we're going to do a cooking lesson with Gabriella today. We're going to do biscuits and gravy this morning. We're going to do fried chicken, mashed potatoes, green beans, bacon, potatoes, and corn for dinner. But right now we're going to do biscuits and gravy. So I'm going to coach. She's going to take on with the biscuits and gravy. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. So first thing you gotta do is read your instructions. You want to get the oven going for the biscuits.
Mm-hmm.
So you need to get the biscuits, read what the temperature is, all that good stuff.
Preheat the oven to 350. Place biscuits 1 inch apart on ungreased baking sheet. Bake for 13 to 16 minutes or until golden brown.
So like 15 minutes, right?
Yeah.
Right to the middle number. So turn your oven on. Okay, so we got the oven preheating. Now we're going to turn on medium-high heat. You always want to do medium-high. For your sausage. Tells you where you are on your stove. So this pan needs to go on medium high here. That's going to be your gravy. So now you're going to take your sausage, put them in there.
Someone scares me.
So get it to the seal. Then you just take it, get it like that.
Alright.
Got it. Then reach in and get your biscuits out. She put her biscuits on her pan. Go in the oven. Let's get your gravy.
It says Great Value Gravy Mix, 2 cups of water, 1 cup of milk. Mix into a medium saucepan with a whisk. Stir 2 cups cold water into the mix until smooth. Cook over medium until gravy comes to a boil, stirring frequently. Simmer 1 minute. Gravy will thicken upon standing. Serve immediately.
Put the water over to your pan.
Unplug them.
Dump them in. Gabriella has been talking about wanting to babysit, so we've been prepping her to know how to cook because people are going to want you to be able to cook for your kids. You know, they're kids if you're watching them. And she's about to be 12 in December, so she's getting up there in age, and we want to make sure she has these cooking skills so she can cook at home and all these things. So that's what we're doing, these cooking lessons for her. We can take a pause for a moment on this stuff. We'll open up the oven. You said 15 minutes was a good middle number, right?
Yep, 15.
Put the biscuits in there. A little tiger. You want your sausage to look brown like that. Now, if I was keeping it for the purpose of making my own homemade gravy, which isn't hard, but for the purposes of teaching Gabriella, I'm just getting this packet gravy for now. I'm going to take it over here and just put it in a strainer. Get the excess fat off of it.
3 minutes.
So this is going to set for a minute. We're going to go ahead and utilize the 3 minutes that we have. Dump it over.
I do this.
Open the door all the way. Grab it. Set in a pan, go up to the burners and set on the stove. Now, close the door.
Okay.
Now, turn the oven heater off. Cook the biscuits instead.
You have to take them off right away.
Or they'll stay. So I scrape the bottom surface. But we don't want them to stay. Right?
I'm really tired.
There we go. Biscuits and gravy. Thank you for watching. If you like good home cooking, if you believe that it's the parents' responsibility to teach your children these kind of responsible things in life, like we do, if you like this kind of content, please hit the subscribe button below. This is Love Family Farm, Gabriella and Dustin. Thanks for watching.